Every year, I compete with my coworkers. They're good, but apparently they're not as good as me.
Oh man, it's like a big honor to be here, to be with the best of the best. It takes a lot of hard work, discipline, dedication, and grind.
Man, there's definitely some high level competition, so definitely gotta stay locked in.
When I first heard about this rodeo, I was thinking, man, a company that actually will recognize something where drivers seemed like all we did was the physical work, got no recognition. Where now this rodeo, they give an opportunity to shine the light on us and say, hey, good job. It's pretty neat, pretty exciting.
They put out obstacle courses, and they also give us a written test.
Biggest challenge as a driver is like other people around me driving. I always have to be aware of all my surroundings at all times. When I learned there was going to be a dash cam in my vehicle, that for me was a plus. I can drive with confidence knowing that I'm driving to the best of my ability.
Samsara is it's just a safety thing. Like, it made me a better driver because I'm having to pay attention to things that I usually wouldn't, or just be more focused and just lock in. I mean, they're not only watching you, but they're watching out for you too.
I'm just thinking about my family the whole time, and I'm doing it for them.
I have my wife here with me right now, so yeah, she's over there rooting me on, and she gets to see me in the truck. She gets to see me doing things that I do at work. It means a lot. Her support is everything.
I'm thankful for what this company does for the employees. I get to have family time.
Working for Glazer means a lot to me because it feels like family. I really feel appreciated. They take care of the drivers here. It feels awesome working for a company like that. It makes you want to come to work every day and just give it your best.
I'm a delivery guy, so all the customers are happy to see me. So, you know, that kind of makes my day really right there. You can, hey, it's the beer guy.
That's why I do this job. I deliver smiles every day.